When you decide to learn English, remember, it's a journey, not a race. Be patient with yourself. The first step is to build a positive mindset. Believe that you can learn English with daily practice. Start very small. Even saying a few sentences a day is a powerful beginning. Don't wait for the perfect moment to start speaking. The perfect moment is right now. It's okay if your sentences are not perfect. Speaking wrongly is better than not speaking at all. Try to create a daily routine for English. Even 10 minutes a day is enough at first. Talk to yourself in English when you are alone. Describe what you are doing or thinking. Stand in front of a mirror and speak English. Watch your mouth and your expressions. Learn simple greetings first. Saying, "Good morning," and "How are you," is a good start. Focus on being clear rather than being fast. Speak slowly and clearly. Choose easy English books or short stories and read them aloud. While reading, stop and repeat any sentence you find beautiful or interesting. Listen to simple English conversations and try to copy their tone and rhythm. Watching English cartoons or kids' shows is a great idea. They use simple and clear English. Practice common daily sentences. For example, "I'm going to work," or "I like coffee." Record your voice while speaking English. Then listen to yourself and notice the improvements. Make mistakes proudly. Mistakes are proof that you are learning something new. Don't worry about having an accent. Everyone has one. Focus on being understandable. Start using English words in your daily life little by little. Change "water" instead of "tanny." Smile when you speak English. Smiling makes your voice sound more friendly and confident. Think simple. Speak simple. You don't need big words to express your thoughts. Talk about your daily activities. Say things like, "I am cooking dinner," or "I am cleaning my room." Listen carefully to English conversations. Notice how they connect words naturally. Shadowing practice is powerful. Listen to one sentence and immediately repeat after it. Learn one new word every day. Just one word a day makes a big difference in 1 year. Make small sentences with the new word you learn. This helps you remember better. Don't translate from your mother tongue. Try to think directly in English, even if it's slow. Practice asking questions like, "Where is the bus stop?" or "Can you help me?" In the beginning, focus more on communication than grammar. Later, slowly correct your grammar as you get comfortable speaking. Talk with friends who are also learning English. Practice together without fear. Use simple connectors like "and," "but," and "because" to join sentences. Describe things around you. For example, "The sky is blue." "The car is fast." Practice speaking about your favorite things, your favorite food, color, or movie. Speak English while doing simple tasks like cooking, cleaning, or walking. Practice small conversations in your mind, like ordering coffee or asking directions. Repeat important sentences many times. Repetition builds confidence. Set a small speaking challenge daily. For example, today I will say 20 sentences in English. Celebrate small successes. Every correct sentence you speak is a victory. Stay away from negative thinking like, I can't speak. Instead say, I am improving every day. Use English learning apps to practice speaking. Many apps give daily speaking challenges. Sing along to simple English songs. Singing helps with pronunciation and memory. Remember, vocabulary is important, but practice using it is even more important. Find easy English podcasts and listen while traveling or relaxing. Make English part of your lifestyle, not just a subject you study. Be curious like a child. Ask yourself, how do I say this in English, every day? Practice storytelling. Tell short, simple stories like, what happened in my day? Don't compare yourself with others. Compare yourself with your own yesterday. Be consistent. Practice a little every day, and results will come automatically. Finally, enjoy the journey of learning English. Your confidence will grow with every word you speak.